Today we shall translate word Ilah with reference to verse no 62 of Surah Naml, such as Allah Rabbul Izzat has said.
أَمَّنْ يُجِيبُ الْمُضْطَرَّ إِذَا دَعَاهُ وَيَكْشِفُ السُّوءَ وَيَجْعَلُكُمْ خُلَفَاءَ الْأَرْضِ أَإِلَٰهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ قَلِيلًا مَّا تَذَكَّرُونَ. Who hears the cry of anguished soul when it calls to him, and relieves its sufferings? And who made you trustees on the earth? Is there any worship worthy other than Allah? How little is it reflect?
It was translation of word Ilah with reference to verse no 62 of Surah Naml, and in the further video we shall translate the word Ilah with reference to verse no 63 of Surah Naml. Inshallah, wama alayna illa al balagul mubin.